Hi guys, I'm Sonam Jain and today the recipe which I'm going to share with you guys, it's a oat smoothie. It's a healthy smoothie and it's a totally vegan smoothie. That means I'm not going to use here any milk or curd. It's a totally vegan one. So let me show you the ingredients guys. This is bananas which I have chopped them. These are two bananas. This is papaya. I have chopped two slices of papaya. This is a 3/4 cup of oats guys. I have dry roasted the oats. And this is apple guys, one medium sized apple. I have chopped them too. This is a handful of raisin guys. This is almonds, around 12 to 13 pieces of almonds, soaked almonds. I have soaked them overnight. And this is chopped, this is like, for the garnishing thing. These are almonds only, which I have powdered them. And this is elaichi powder guys, and this is cinnamon powder. These two are completely optional guys. Let me tell you, cinnamon powder, it's very good for weight loss guys, and it's a good fat cutter also. So I always include this cinnamon powder in my smoothie, be it any smoothie. And one thing I want to tell you, we can also use dates guys. Dates, खजूर भी आप use कर सकते हो, like around four dates or something, 3 to 4 dates. You have to take out the seeds and you can use dates also. So let's start the procedure guys. I'm taking this jar. First of all guys, I'm going to add these bananas which I have chopped. Cinnamon powder, and this is elaichi powder guys. Let me tell you guys, papaya and bananas and apple, they are a great source of antioxidants and they provide all the essential nutrients to our body and also increases our metabolism. So it's a super healthy drink and it's super easy and it's super filling. So it's completely ready guys. This one is very thick as you can see. आप इसको चाहे तो पतला भी कर सकते हो और you can keep it as it is also. It depends upon how you like it. So मेरे लिए I think I'm going to make it थोड़ा और पतला. So I'll be adding water. So just wait. So I'll be adding थोड़ा सा पानी अभी और. Okay guys, so it's ready now. You can see guys, it's so smooth and it's looking very healthy and tasty. Do give it a shot guys. See, this is my apple, oats, papaya and banana smoothie. All together a healthy drink and it's a super food guys. It's really a super food. One second, I'm just bringing some. So this is my smoothie guys, it's ready. I'm using some almonds, crushed almonds for garnishing. And so this is ready guys. I hope you like it. This is my healthy smoothie, totally a vegan smoothie. Do give it a shot guys. Hope you like it. Bye.